Exercise 33. The table above shows selected values of x and their corresponding values of y that satisfy the equation ax plus by equals 8. What is the value of a and b? Okay, so we know the following. We know that a point lies on a line when its coordinates satisfy the line's equation. This means, in simple words, that every point has x and y coordinates, has a pair of coordinates. If we carefully select the x and y coordinate of the point, we take them and we put them in the line's equation instead of x and y, a true statement should be formed. And by true statement, I mean something that holds true. 5 equals 5, 100 equals 100, and so on. So, do we have such points? Yes, we actually have 5 such points. We know that when x is negative 3, y should be negative 20. When x is negative 2, y should be negative 16, and so on. I'm gonna start by 0, comma negative 8 because it seems that it will simplify the process. So when x is 0, y should be equal to negative 8, which means that a times 0 plus b times negative 8 is 8, which means from here that b is negative 1. And that means that instead of writing that as ax plus by, I can write it as ax minus y equals 8. Now, let's use another point, 1, comma negative 4. So, 8 times 1 minus 4 is 8. So, a plus 4 is 8. So, a is 4. Which means that a plus b would have been equal to 4 plus minus 1, which is, of course, equal to 3. And this means that C is the right answer for this exercise.